Welcome, people, folks, and space aliens from across the galaxy and into the multi-universe. I am so excited right now. This is the jump marathon video. All the jumps I did, non-stop. Are you ready? Right now, I'm here in Red Wing, having some fun. I tallied up my tabletops. I am gonna probably be at 75 tabletops for Minnesota. Oh my gosh! 788 tabletops across Minnesota and Wisconsin. I never even made it to Duluth. I didn't clear everything at Cuyuna. There's a lot of tabletops out there. And I still have to go to Brophy, Mankato. I want to add Hickson State Forest. Oh my gosh. Cover a couple quick things here quickly, very quickly. First off, my classification of tabletop is probably a little skewed. Some of them were washed down, some of them were shorter, but if I cleared it and it had a semi-flat top, I consider it a tabletop. Other jumps, step downs, step ups, and there's a few gaps out there. So I'm gonna do other jumps at the end. Right now, I'm sitting at all the jumps I've done, Minnesota and Wisconsin, other jumps and tabletops. 102 to 103, somewhere in there, jumps. I broke 100 jumps yesterday. I figured I did about 9 jumps on this bike that I hadn't done, and I cleared them. That said, that was item number 1. Item number 2 is that I had 2 harnesses that I was using this year. This is my trail ride harness I got on now. Then I got my jump harness. You can see the angle is different, but the big thing that I encountered was it was moving. This one not so much, the other one maybe more. That was due to me having issues with my harness in my chest, and so on and so forth. Tightness of the harness, sometimes it was loose, sometimes it was tight. I have 2 different harnesses. You're gonna see a lot of differences in all the jumps that I do. And it's gonna look like I sloppily cleared it or maybe even cased it. But I have examined most of the videos. I think 90% of the jumps that I think I cleared. And I did try to shoot stuff twice, as much as I could. With all that said, let's jump right into the jumps. So it's gonna be Minnesota tabletops first, Wisconsin tabletops second, and then it's gonna be other jumps, Minnesota other jumps, Wisconsin other jumps. So let's get started. I am so excited. Wow! Oh yeah! Jump. Easy. Drop. Jump. Shoulder. Jump. Yeah, I did it. Oh, I bumped. This will be on my jump video. Oh, I cleared both of those. These are like really easy. It's this one here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Perfect. Good. Oh yeah. Little piece of cake. Yep. Got that one. Oh, I got him. Oh yeah. Piece of cake. Oh yeah. Piece of cake. That's how I got him. Frank. Yeah, Frank. Yeah, oh, I cleared it. Yes. These are like super scary because they're so loose. Wow! Here we go, here we go. I think I cleared it. Go. Oh, I got kicked just a little bit. Got that one. Gotta break a little bit for that one. Wow! Oh, these buckets I'm clearing them. Oh, I think I got it. Wow! Oh. cleared both of them. Another one. Damn it! I cleared it though. Big table. Big table. Oh my gosh. I think I can take that though. Big table. I have to get my video. In line. Oh yeah. Oh, I cleared the first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, perfect. I have actually. That'll throw you. Oh yeah. That one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I cleared it, I think. Wow. I'm not sure about the second one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, so close. So close. Ah! I almost break a little bit. Yeah, you really good. I felt like I cleared it. Get it. Oh yeah. These are easy. Oh yeah, that was a perfect run. That one. Yep. These are potatoes. These are super easy. Good, done, very good. I totally got crashed on. I know. Whoa! My bobtail feet. No, I did not get that. Faster speed. Oh yeah. Oh, that time I got it. Hey, I went to clear the jump. See, that was easy. I cleared it. There's the jump line. Clear. Clear. Oh yeah. Gotta get the tabletop. Oh yeah. Piece of. Oh yeah. I got it that time. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. I got all three of them. Oh, so close. Just do the tabletop. Don't do anything crazy. Just do the tabletop. Don't do anything crazy. Those are so easy. Break a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh, I got it. See? Oh, I cleared it. Whoa. Yeah, I saw it. This is a table. Oh yeah, that was smooth. I'm gonna get a picture. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed my jump marathon. It took me all year. Well, maybe not quite all year, but it took me quite a while. Dude, wow. The trail, the video I hope you enjoyed it. It started in May, early May, and I stopped it in early September. And today I did hit some jumps, but there were no tabletops hit today, so no new ones at least. So pretty awesome. Had a lot of fun making it. Unfortunately, I've decided to call it quits. Whoa, that was a jump. And do the other jumps on another video maybe down the line. But for now, that's pretty much it. I do have a lot of videos coming out here this winter. Look at this. Oh, this is awesome. So I'm gonna leave you with the ravine thing here, and we're gonna get into some jump marathon videos. It's gonna be pretty fun. So we'll see you all winter long, hopefully.